Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
We are fine. How about you, Miss?
Okay, I am fine, thank you. Okay, everyone, before starting the lesson, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Next is attends. Yunita Rizkia,
Present.
Neng Wilda,
Present.
Dia Rahma Padilla,
Present, Miss.
Mita Herliana,
Present, Miss.
Siti Suryati,
Present, Miss.
Holifah Amelia,
Present, Miss.
Sylvia Erliansa Putri,
Present, Miss.
Adi Lingga Dani, and Irfan Rois. Okay. Okay, everyone. This material today is fairy tales. Have you ever read or watching a fairy tale?
Yes.
Okay.
We are.
If you had a read, what is it about fairy tales?
Apa yang kalian baca? Snow White, Cinderella,
Okay, itu bagian dari fairy tales. Okay, what is fairy tales? Fairy tales are kind of folk story about magical events and creatures. They often tell about a young person meeting fantastic beings such as Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Pinocchio. Generic structure. One, orientation. It set the scene and introduces the participant. Complication tells the problem of the story and how many characters solve them. And resolution, the crisis is resolved for better or worse. Do you know what fairy tale is in picture below?
Yes, Pinocchio.
Yes, this is Pinocchio. Anyone's it's free. Okay, Dia Rahma.
In the past, there was a officer whose name is Pinocchio. He had a son very much, but his wife passed away several years ago. One day, he got an idea to make a puppet in order not to be lonely again. He made a puppet all day long. Finally, in the morning he had finished his work and he named the puppet Pinocchio. Soon he felt lonely again since Pinocchio couldn't walk or talk by himself. One night, Geppetto prayed to the god to become a little boy. He always thought it on his mind in his dream. In the next morning, he was surprised that Pinocchio was alive. He taught Pinocchio how to talk, how to read, how to speak, and to do other things as given. He then studied at an elementary school. One day, Pinocchio felt bored and decided to go home late. When Pinocchio finally came home, Geppetto asked him. He said that he was on school, but he was instead Pinocchio's nose grew longer and longer, and it means that Pinocchio has life. The next morning, Pinocchio was kidnapped by the owner of circus. Pinocchio soon became a slave for the circus. He was so famous because he was a puppet which can talk. Geppetto worried about him because Pinocchio had not been going home for almost 2 days. He tried to find Pinocchio everywhere, but he found nothing. When he searched him on the sea, big waves smashed him. He was then in whale's stomach when he awoke. He couldn't find the way to go out. In another side, Pinocchio finally could escape out from the circus.
Okay, give applause for Dia Rahma Fadila. I think some for you for the read it.
Ini dapat bocil loh.
Tidak ini. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yes, we are welcome. Okay. Jadi di sini kisah atau dongeng dari Pinocchio yang dimana Pinocchio itu sebuah boneka yang terbuat dari kayu, tetapi dia berubah menjadi manusia gitu, bisa hidup gitu, boneka kayu yang bisa hidup. Okay, the moral of the fairy tale story of Pinocchio. The lesson you will learn from this story, like every other folk tale, Pinocchio too has important lesson for everyone. Being disobedient will do you no good. Telling lie is never advisable, and never disobey your elders. Jadi pesan yang ada di kisahnya Pinocchio itu dapat kita terapkan ke diri kita, bahwa kita itu harus jujur, tidak boleh berbohong, apalagi terhadap kedua orang tua kita. Ya, story and character. Okay, the next quiz. Siapa yang akan menebak nomor 1? Oke, silakan. Who are the character?
Pinocchio.
Yes, Pinocchio and
Geppetto.
Okay, give me a plus buat for Neng Wilda. Ada hadiah sedikit untuk Neng Wilda.
Thank you, Mi.
Iya, oke. Number 2, ada yang ingin menjawab? Where, apa? Maksudnya cerita dari si Pinocchio ini berasal dari negara mana gitu?
Di mana sih ya? From England. Oh, salah.
No, salah. Ayo ya.
USA.
Ayo.
UK. Australia.
Salah.
England. Filipina.
Incorrect. Yes. Give me plus buat Siti Suryati. Okay. Give me some buat Siti Suryati. Okay. Yes, we're welcome. The last quiz is. Yes, silahkan. What happened each time Pinocchio tells a lie? Okay, so.
Pinocchio's nose was getting longer.
Yes. Yes. Give me plus buat Dia Rahma. Okay, dia sama. Nih.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Story summary of Pinocchio. Jadi kesimpulan dari kisah Pinocchio, the story main character is a living wooden puppet crafted by a toy maker Geppetto, who adopted him as his son. In the beginning, Pinocchio is disobedient. He ignores Papa Geppetto and runs away in search of adventure. The blue fairy guides Pinocchio at every step of the way and encourages him to change his way. Eventually, when Pinocchio reaches revenge the blue fiery transport into a real boy to reward him for his excellent behavior. Jadi kesimpulan dari kisah Pinocchio ini bahwa kita sebagai manusia as human gak boleh, yaitu tadi berbohong, apalagi membohongi kedua orang tua kita gitu, dan itu perbuatan yang tidak baik. Nah, oke, apa sih? Sekian, terima kasih. Materi ini berakhir. See you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.